Good morning, children. This is Venkatesh, your chemistry teacher. I welcome all to Chemistry World 11th class. And in this video, I discuss the portion, the syllabus of class 11th chemistry. In this syllabus, we are going to have total 13 chapters, and in the theory part carries total 70 marks. And all the chapters, the question paper included with both objective and descriptive. Both they will have. In which chapter you will get objective and in which chapter you will get descriptive. Otherwise, both are possible. That can be given in the blueprint at the time of exam. But this table carries the chapter name, how many pairs required, and how many marks are going to get from the chapter. The first chapter, some basic concepts of chemistry, and second chapter, structure of atom. Both are included, getting what? 11 marks. Understood here? One thing you have to, objective means you may get MCQs, or you may get true or false, or you may get match the following. Isn't it? Or sometimes you may get assertion, reasons also. Assertion and reasons also. These are actually objective. MCQs, true or false, match the following, assertion and reason. And description carries single sentence questions, 1 mark or 2 marks, like the single sentence questions will be under descriptive. And the remaining chapters, if you observe, classification of elements carrying 4 marks, chemical bonding, states of matter, thermodynamics, equilibrium, they carry 21 marks, redox reaction, hydrogen, S black and P block, they carry 16 marks, and organic chemistry carries how many? 18 marks. This is about the chapters, isn't it? And in this video, I will also add some topic, something about some basic concepts also. Before that, what happened? Let me see your practicals also, which carries how many marks? 30 marks. 70 plus 30, 70 from descriptive, that means theory, 30 from practical. In this volumetric analysis, in this we just carry some experiments in which we are going to calculate the concentrations, isn't it? By using what? pH, P rate, isn't it? Calculation of normality, molarity, like that. We calculate what? Concentration. Salt analysis, identification of cations and anions. Identification of cations and anions. For example, copper plus 2, iron plus 2, otherwise SO4 minus 2, NO3 minus. These are anions and cations. We have to identify in a given salt. We have to identify by using some experiment. That will carry 8 marks. Content based, that related to what? Content, according to what? Something what we are calculating. pH. How do you calculate pH of given solution? Like that. Project work will be given to you, that for 4 marks. Record and viva will be 4 marks. Total what? 30 marks for the practical examination. Next, coming to the first chapter, I don't discuss this, only the importance of this only I will discuss. What is the chapter? This one I will discuss. But the chapter starts from the atomic and molecular masses, and this I will start on Friday. On Friday, on Google Meet, isn't it? At 10 to 11 o'clock. We're going to discuss this one on Google Meet. Everyone should join that one. So in the some basic concepts of chemistry, the topics we are going to discuss about importance and scope of chemistry, atomic molecular masses, mole concept, molar mass, percentage composition, empirical molecular formula, chemical reactions, and stoichiometry calculation based on stoichiometry. And this is very, very important for us in examination point of view. And this one also, isn't it? These two bits, percentage of composition also important, but these two are very important for us in examination. Next, when you observe in NCERT textbook, NCERT textbook, these topics are also present, but they are deleted. But actually, what deleted because of reduction of syllabus, reduced syllabus. What happened? These topics are deleted. So no need to prepare for examination point of view. For CBSE examination point of view, no need to prepare this one. You can avoid these topics. Next, let me take some introduction about this chemistry and basics. What is the chemistry? Everything. Chemistry is a science of atoms, molecules, and their transformation. How the atoms are transformed into molecules into some other molecules. How this happens, that is called chemistry. Otherwise, it's a branch of science, isn't it, that studies composition, properties, and interaction of matter. How matter is interacted with another compounds, what are their properties, how they are composed, everything discussed in this branch of science that is called chemistry. Now, why we study chemistry? You see, this is the coal. We need that one for production of current. So how we extract that one? Some principles are there, and we are extracting the diamond, isn't it? For that also we are having some type of chemistry principles. Plastic, we are producing the tin, the 20 liters can is nothing but a type of material which is made upon by the bakelite. These are polythene bags, nothing but ethylene compounds, PET bottles, isn't it? All these are because of chemical reactions. And coffee, that is also chemical reaction. Flame, isn't it? That is a combustion reaction that is prepared by using the combustion of wood. If you do combustion of wood, definitely the flame will be liberated. That is also because of chemical reactions. Drinks, isn't it? Soap, petroleum products are nothing but what? Chemistry, isn't it? Soap, surf packets, plastic materials, clothes, kerchiefs, curtains, everything is what? Chemistry. Drugs, isn't it? Drugs are because of chemical reactions only, isn't it? Paracetamol tablet, isn't it? Everything is what? Drugs made upon by chemical reactions. DVDs, chemical factories will produce many number of chemicals. Raincoats, racket is, isn't it? The energy of what we are getting to lift the racket is from the fuel cells. That is also what? Isn't it? The fuel cells. That is also what? Chemistry. Soaps, bricks, isn't it? Which are made upon by silicates. That is also chemistry. So to get all these one, isn't it, we should know the chemistry principles here. So this is only we discussed today. Only I want to discuss about the syllabus only. I have taken this class, but we start the chemistry, the first chapter with atomic masses on Friday at 10 o'clock on Google Meet. This is only up to now. Thank you. Goodbye.